it's time to put your flippers together for a penguin experiment to show why you need blubber to stay warm. Let's dive right in. First, fill up a bowl half full with lots of ice and then add water. This represents the near freezing waters surrounding Antarctica. And since we aren't penguins, we do have to make our own blubber. Start by filling a Ziploc bag with 3 to 4 giant spoonfuls of shortening. Next, you're going to put your hand inside another Ziploc bag and push it into the shortening filled bag. Spread the shortening around until it creates more of a glove surrounding your other hand. Then you're going to duct tape the openings together. Stick your hand in the blubber glove and then put it in the frozen water.